Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Unboxing Chill. We've got another unboxing today. We did receive our Black Tier subscription for the month of November for Watch Gang. Just to remind you guys, Watch Gang is a subscription box service with 3 tiers. There is a $29 tier, there's a $99 tier, and a $2.99 tier. Obviously, the higher you go, the nicer of a watch you get. This one is a Black Tier subscription, so it was 99 bucks. So it's the middle of the road here, middle tier. We're gonna unbox it, take a look at it, see what we get here. Before I get into that real quick, I just want to say, please hit the subscribe button. As we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna start giving the watches away every month. If you want to be a part of that, stick around, see some unboxings, hang out with me, unbox some cool stuff. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. We'll get right down to it here, move everything out of the way. Also, real quick, I'm going to throw a link in the description box. This is the Not a Stealth. This is our last month's Black Tier subscription. I did unbox it. I went over all the specs. To take a look at that, link will be in the description box below. You guys can check that one out. But without further ado, we'll move that out of the way. We'll get to this month's subscription. And actually, I'm very pleased. I will say I'm very pleased. This is what they sent me. I got a CCCP. Okay, so we'll go over it. We'll look at the specs. We'll unbox it. We'll take a look at everything. Before we crack open the box, we'll get into a quick wristwatch check. Just wearing the deep blue, just a juggernaut. I decided to put on a, this is actually new to the channel, not the watch, but the band. I put on a shark mesh band on it the other day, so I think it looks really good with this on it. But anyway, we'll get back to the CCCP here. So again, this is our Watch Gang subscription watch for this month. Remember, it's a blind watch subscription service. This particular one was $99.99, and we'll take a look. So we'll crack that open. Let's see here. So we've got the, looks like we've got the instruction manual here. So this is just going over, basically this the operation of the watch and how to care for it, everything, automatic watch with date. We'll throw that out of the way. We've got your warranty card here, CCCP. Got the warranty information. We'll put that to the side. And we've got the watch, which actually, gotta be honest, I actually really like. This might be taking over as my all-time favorite watch that I've gotten from Watch Gang. Under the Black Tier. Previously, it was the Heritage Morrison. That was my favorite watch before. Now, I will say it's gonna be the CCCP. I actually really like this piece. What I'll do is I'll drop a link in the description below, so you can see that Heritage Morrison Black Tier subscription watch get unboxed as well as our last month's Not a Stealth. But this is very nice. I really do like this. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off, and then we'll get a much more detailed look here. But as you can see, we got all the tags and everything on here. CCCP. Let's see if I can get the plastic off here, so we can get some detail. Now, one thing I will say that I'll let you guys get when I do some detail shots here, you guys will get a better look at it. It is packaged up pretty well here. Let me go off camera real quick so I can get this off quicker. But this watch, one thing I noticed, I looked up the specs online, and I thought it was black this whole time. I thought this watch was black this entire time. I went and started to look a little closer at it. It's actually green. It's just a really dark green, which I'm sure is coming through in the camera really nicely. But as you can see, it has a green dial, green bezel, and it looks like you got the second hand is bright yellow here. So you got a green and yellow color combo there. As you can see, it's got that. It is an automatic, so it does have that nice sweep there. Let's see here. So we got a display case back with like a red tint to it. I thought that was very cool. So you got that red tint over that display case back. The band here, I actually like the design of the band. Let's see here. Let's see what the clasp looks like. So it's just a regular pressed clasp here. Let's take this paper off. So as you can see, we've got the CCCP here with the stars. Let's see here. Let's see if I can remove this. I'm gonna have to get probably gonna get my knife out. Hold on, I'm gonna go off camera 1 second. Let me grab my knife from behind me. Here we go. We're gonna need to knife this. All right, let's see here. Let's just, I'm gonna take this off real quick. There we go. We will remove this. Oh, looks like it's all tangled in there. There we go. All right. There we go. We got it off. Okay. Not too much fuss here. I might leave the plastic on for now, just on the actual band, just because we can see that pretty well. But in terms of the face, like I said, it feels like a very nice, very sturdy, very rugged watch, to be honest with you. And I think it would look really nice with like a brown leather band would be very nice on this. Like a nice chunky leather band would look very nice. I may keep the stainless steel on for now, but I am curious what it would look like on a nice chunky brown band. But no, this is it, guys. The CCCP. This is absolutely beautiful. I think this is very nice, especially for the price point. So keep in mind, it's $99. We're gonna get the full specs in a second. We're gonna pull up the website. You know, we'll take a look at everything here. But I think for 99 bucks, this is not a bad deal. I think this movement is nice. It seems to sweep very smoothly. We'll take a look at the specs on it. You've got a screw down crown, you know, obviously, so this is, you know, obviously this is a diver, so a screw down crown. With that display case back is red, which I think is a very nice detail, you know, matching obviously their logo, their box, everything like that being red. You've got let's see, you've got the clasp, obviously, has their logo, you know, etched into it. It is kind of just a regular clasp, but, it is a, wait, I've got this thing is still on here. I thought I got rid of this. Hold on, let me cut this out of the way here. Okay, there we go. Now it's officially gone. But let's go ahead and close that. So, but I do like like I said, it's not a super basic clasp. I do like the clasp. I do like the band. The band is nice. So this is a very good piece, very solid piece. I feel like very heavy, very solid, very nice piece, especially for 99 bucks when you consider it. Let's take a look at the specs here. As I put this to the side, I almost don't want to put it down. I like holding it, but let's take a look at the specs here. So we'll pop open the phone. So here we go. We've got the website here, CCCP. This is the watch here. So this is the Kamchatka. At least I'm assuming I'm saying that correctly. Kamchatka. As you can see, they have an inflated MSRP. Most of these guys usually do up $600. Let's see here. So we'll get in so we can see the specs here. So we've got it is stainless steel. As you can see here, that's the movement. It's got the Slava mechanical movement, 3-hand with date. We've got the stainless steel is you know what the case is made out of. It is 43 millimeters, which is a nice size. Not too big, not too small, especially for me with big wrists. As you can see here, you know, stainless steel bracelet, just kind of everything basic here. You know, you've got your water resistance rating, 10 ATM. Everything else is pretty standard, pretty normal here, pretty standard stuff. I mean, listen, $99 watch. I think you're getting a lot for 99 bucks out of this one. So this is it here. Like I said, keep in mind this is green. It looks. I always thought it was black when I got it, but it's green with a yellow second hand, which I think looks really good. So that's our color combo here. But anyway, guys, this was our Watch Gang subscription watch for the month of, I don't know why I'm having a hard time remembering the month. That was for the month of November. Watch Gang subscription watch for the month of November. Very, very beautiful piece. Gonna be my new favorite black tier watch that I've received to date. Please stay tuned, guys. I do have a original tier that I'm gonna be unboxing, and I'm gonna upload that video soon. I'm gonna try to stick to a upload schedule of probably Tuesdays and Thursdays is what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna unbox a watch or something else really cool here. But it's gonna be a lot of watches, but some other cool things that I find cool as well. Maybe a little bit of tech as well. If you guys once again could please you know, bang that subscribe button. You know, come along with me on this journey, and then we'll start having some giveaways when we reach 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers or so, not 1,000 subscribes. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. This has been Unbox and Chill. Thank you.